Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite three Note 8 cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and I will be putting the phone in each one of them to show you the different kinds of protection and features that you get from each. So starting out first, we have the OtterBox Defender. This is one of my favorite cases just because of the level of protection it offers. There is some stuff on it from my desk. Nice rubberized back, nice durable case. You don't have to worry about dropping it. You do have raised top and bottom sections right here and access to your edge display, so you don't lose access to your edge display at all with the Galaxy Note 8. Let me just wipe it off real quick. Got some smudges on the screen. So that's basically it for the OtterBox. It's just an overall durable and rugged case that gives you all-around protection with covered ports. So you don't have to worry about dust or dirt getting up into your USB-C or headphone jack. You have access to your S Pen right here, so it is plenty easy to pull your S Pen out if you need to take a quick note or something like that. You have a big microphone cutout on the top, big cutout for your camera, your flash, and your fingerprint sensor on the back. And then one of my overall favorite features about the OtterBox is you get the belt clip. So if you're the kind of person that doesn't like putting a big phone like this in your pockets, you can clip it to your belt. This can also be used as a media stand just by clipping your phone in there and pushing that up to there. So you can use it as that. So you get two features in one on that one. Let me go ahead and I'm going to switch over to the Samsung LED cover and I'll show you what I like about that one. Okay, so popping over into the Note 8 LED view cover, with this one you get your time right there, you get notifications on the LEDs. You also get screen protection. You have a cutout for your speaker right here so you can talk on the phone. You can actually answer phone calls by swiping on the screen when you receive one. You can push the power button to check your time. If I had any notifications, it would flash them as well. If you want to use Bixby, I actually don't have Bixby set up, but you would hold that button and you would get a little Bixby icon right here, and you can talk to Bixby. But this setup went away when I flashed my phone to Oreo, so I don't have that set up right now. Again, you have a nice big cutout for your fingerprint sensor, your camera, little Samsung branding right here. Big cutout on the bottom, so you have plenty of access to your charge port, your headphone jack, and your S Pen is right here. And then your phone is just in the case right here. If you have something like Smart Lock or no passcode on your phone, it will unlock when you open the cover. And you can also pop into settings here, go to advanced features, go to accessories, and then you have automatic unlock. So if you're using Smart Lock and it's unlocked with Smart Lock, you have that, and then you have the LED icon editor right there as well, so you can edit the icons for the notifications on the screen. So that is one of my other favorite cases. I don't use this case on the daily though. I'm not a big fan of the flip cases like this, just because on this phone it blocks your fingerprint sensor when you open it like that, and I'm just not a big fan of having to have the flap behind the phone when I'm using the phone. But it is a great case. It is a feature-packed case. For the price, you are getting a lot of features with that LED cover right there, and it is a case I enjoy using from time to time. And last but not least, coming up on the Alcantara cover here, this is also another Samsung branded case. This is an Alcantara material, so it's nice and soft in the hand. Only thing about this case is you don't have a lot of protection around the edges. You don't have a huge lip on there, and it does tend to attract like dirt, dust, anything like that that's in your pockets will stick to this case. If you put it down on a table that has a little bit of dirt or dust on it, it will stick to this case. So this does pick up a lot of grime over time. So that's why I don't use this case too often. Just keep it in my pocket and that kind of stuff. Anywhere you put this phone that's dirty with this case on, it's going to pick it up. It wipes off fairly easily. You can wipe it off pretty easy, but still it does pick up a lot of dirt, and it definitely shows it as well, especially on this black one. But you do have a big camera cutout, big fingerprint sensor cutout right there, full access to all your ports and your buttons right here, and your power button right there. Like I said, not a lot of screen protection, but this is probably your most basic case from Samsung. In terms of protection, this is more just to keep your back protected and give you a nice in-hand feel when using the phone. Now this wasn't in any type of order for the cases, but you know, we have the OtterBox and the View cover right here. So those are the three cases I use most often. I do like to change out my cases to give my phone a different feel. And I will use the phone a lot of the times without a case on at all because I do have square trade protection. So if I drop it or break it, it will be covered through square trade. So not afraid to use it without a case. But these are my three favorite cases right here. I will link these down in the description to Amazon. You can get this one for about $26 on Amazon. I don't know about the price on this one, and right now I cannot find the OtterBox on Amazon. So I'll link these two for you guys so you can check them out below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. It definitely helps out. More Android videos coming soon when we have some more builds of Oreo and more beta builds, or the final release coming out here soon later on in March. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And as always, have a great day.